Every time I sit down to film this video, the neighbor's dogs start barking and it's really hard to film it. But anyways, today I'm going to be vlogging. I'm about to go to the gym. I'm not going to take you guys in the gym with me because I'm not that comfortable with that yet. Yeah, I remember that one video with all the chickens. Yeah, this is dog version of that video. But yeah, I'm vlogging, so it's gonna be a fun day. So keep watching to see what we get up to today. I don't have any actual plans, but we'll see what happens. I'm actually dog/house sitting right now. I'm looking at Yeti just like playing around. So this house is clearly not my house. The dog that belongs to this house is actually inside. She's really sweet. Her name is Mommy. Yeah, it's early Saturday morning. It's the end of the month. If you can hear Yeti scurrying around, I'm sorry. But for now, we're gonna start off by going to the gym this morning. Okay, that's it. Let's just go to the gym. I'm really just procrastinating for no reason. I'm back home. I went to the gym. The plan was to vlog while I was in the parking lot at the gym, but that didn't work out because there was a guy in the truck like right next to me and I refused to have him stare at me. So yeah, here we are back at my actual house. I'm really out of breath still. I literally just ran like a mile and a quarter. Then I did some leg presses and then I tried to do some other stuff that I don't even know the name of them. So there you go. That's how much gym experience I have. But this is actually my third week going. In total, I've probably gone like 6 times. So I guess maybe like on average like twice a week. But honestly, I feel like I've definitely made a lot of progress since then because I ran the mile in 8 minutes, which I know does not sound like a lot, but it's a lot for me. It's a big improvement for me, so don't judge. And I'm just excited because I feel like I'm already getting better, so I'm excited to see where this whole journey will take me. But I'm gross, so I'm gonna go take a shower and change, and then I'm gonna head back over to the other house. I'm out of the shower. Now it's time to make breakfast. Forgot to vlog, but now it's dinner time. I made some tomato sauce with mushrooms, green peppers, red peppers, some red onions, some black pepper, and salt. And I also made some pasta and put some avocados on the side. Hey guys, what's up? It's a new day. It's Sunday. Usually today would be a beach day, but it started raining this morning, so that clearly wasn't a plan. But I'm about to go pick up Brandy. This is what I have on today. Just chill, very casual. Basically, last night or yesterday, I just kind of ended up filming the food that I ate. I hope you guys loved it. Last night it was really good. We made some pasta. You guys saw in the clips. After that, I just went outside and I basically just read until it was time to go to bed. Before that, I watched some Netflix. I've been watching Disenchantment. We're actually on the last episode now, so things got kind of crazy. I don't know, if you guys watch Disenchantment, then just let me know down below if you like it. But yeah, I'm just about to go get Brandy and then we'll see what we get up to for the rest of the day. So, Brandy and I are currently at Maria's Cantina. She got food. She doesn't want to be on camera right now. Just say hi.
Hey y'all.
I just had a pina colada and I ate some of her guacamole and it was really good. and this is the spot to get guacamole if you are in St. Croix. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. Thank you for watching my vlog. I'm gonna end it here. Clearly, yesterday when I got back, basically I just ended up chilling with Brandy and I edited this vlog. I had a lot of fun doing it. I think I'm gonna start vlogging daily and posting weekly. So if you like this vlog that I posted, please give me a thumbs up so that I know you liked it and so that I know that I should continue posting these. Don't mind my hair. Since I cut it, it's been getting really big, which I like it. It's also bed hair right now, so yeah. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you again for watching. Bye!